Alrighty. So, tonight has a severe weather event going on in my area. It's only a slight risk, but we're bound to get something, I'm hoping. So, we're about to redo the weather radar set because I just got blessed with this in the box. Brand new in the box. Just like that. So we're gonna rearrange the weather. Oh, it's even got the manual and everything, dude. We're gonna rearrange the weather radio setup a little bit in order to accommodate for the. Oh, does it? Is this the antenna? No. What is this? Okay, I got to pull it out first. Oops, my glasses. That's a hefty radio, actually. Wow, I didn't know. Alright, well, there's the radio. This is the first time I've seen it come with it. Those of you who own a 12253, you already know what I'm looking at, that I'm very confused. I'm assuming I'll figure it out here in a second what it's made for. It's got a wire to it that is gracefully tangled with itself and the power cord. So let me untangle this real quick. Oh, I'll bring it up around this way very gently. I don't want to break it. There we go. This thing. I don't. Manual help. What is that? Holy shit! Oh my god! So this manual has a receipt stapled to it. July 3rd of 2001, they bought this, some sort of Power Zone disc, and an ATV amplified something for $30. This was $160 weather radio new. This definitely doesn't feel cheap. Oh, that's sick. Alright, so. It's not mentioning anything of this thing yet. So the same good time antenna? What? That's what that is? It is an antenna. It's a time antenna. What is... What? Don't mind me, I'm like... blown. To use the telescoping antenna, lift it up towards vertical. To ensure your reception, fully extend the time antenna's cable away from the clock and near if blinks not flash the weather radio to check its high. Okay. So I'll have to find a spot for that. That's pretty sick. So let me just find out where I'm going to move stuff. We're going to plug it in real quick. I'm going to figure out where it's going to be. I already know what I'm actually going to do. Now I have to just do it. So just give me a second.
4,000 of that is just specific on electrical, of hooking up all the electricity.
Right? This is kind of horrendous.